Hello and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've already cut the corners each end of my lines using the V-cut with my knife. I did this to make it easier to see where to start and finish with my V-tool. I take my 1.5mm V-gouge and without too much pressure, using my left thumb as an anchor, I push the tool between the two V-cuts. I do this to make the rows of bricks in the chimney stand out. I do this on every line, going over it again if the cut was too shallow. Once I have done all the horizontal lines, I do the same thing on the vertical lines to emphasize the individual bricks. I stagger between 1 and 2 lines, as when the walls are built, the bricks overlap rather than stack up. I continue this process on all 4 sides of the chimney. Once I have done that, I then use my knife to take off some of the corners on the bricks. This gives them a worn effect and kind of a 3D look. I sped up some of the bits in between because I didn't want the video to be super long for you guys. Please excuse the noise in the background. It's my dog and she's fast asleep snoring. Can you believe it, eh? So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.